Normally, to find your public IP address, you would visit websites like whatismyip.com or ipchicken.com. Using command prompt allows you to bypass the need for an internet browser and directly query a DNS server to receive the information. Here is a simple guide to check IP address in command prompt. Open command prompt, press Windows + R, type cmd and press enter. Type the following command and press enter. nslookup stands for name server lookup, and it is a command line tool used to query domain name system servers. My IP OpenDNS.com resolves the public IP address making the request. When you query this domain, OpenDNS will return the public IP address assigned to your network. Resolver1 OpenDNS.com is the DNS server that will be used to resolve the query. This tells nslookup to use OpenDNS resolver to perform the lookup. The result will show your public IP address under the address section. This indicates the DNS server used to resolve the query. This is the IP address of the DNS server. This message indicates that the answer we are getting is from a cache record on the DNS server, and this is the domain name that was queried. This finally represents your public IP address, which is the one assigned to your device by your internet service provider. This command provides a simple way to retrieve your public IP address directly from the command line.